Hello, my name is Brad Miller. I'm with Harry Norman Realtors, and it is my pleasure to present to you my newest listing, 2080 Vicarage Lane here in Snellville, Georgia. I would love for you to see the inside of this property. We talk about a lot as realtors, we talk about move-in ready properties. Well, this is the true definition of a move-in ready property. This home features a little over 5,200 square feet with 5, possibly 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Great finished basement area that'll be awesome for kids and for a home theater, and a beautiful tranquil backyard. So I'd love to show you guys the property. Come on in with me. Welcome home. I'd love to show you 2080 Vicarage Lane. Come on in, watch your step. As you walk in, you'll notice this beautiful open living space here with a nice brick fireplace. We have these beautiful built-ins right next to the windows with plenty of storage space, which is always a premium in a house. Directly to your right, you'll notice this attached office, great from working from home, or if you have a young one that's doing digital learning. This could also be converted into a bedroom if that was a necessity. We do have a full closet and a full window. Beautiful space. Again, going back to what I was talking about earlier, is this being a move-in ready home. This is exactly the epitome of a move-in ready home. As you're making your way through the living room, one of the things you'll notice, there's plenty of natural light in the property, really tall 9-foot ceilings. The engineered flooring throughout. We also have a beautifully decorated property here, professionally decorated. But one of the shining jewels on this property is your kitchen area. And I know a big, something that's very important to a lot of families is a nice open floor plan. Well, this has it in spades. We have this beautiful chef's kitchen, essentially a real chef's kitchen. We have nice granite countertops, beautiful 42-inch cabinets. As you make your way through, you'll see this massive island, this insane island. We all know the kitchen is the heart of the home and where everybody gathers. This is great if you're a baker, if you're a chef, when you have those holiday dinners, great for entertaining. We also have a wash sink on this side, beautiful 5-burner gas stove, and tons of storage space in this kitchen. This is great. This is a beautiful kitchen, great layout, and amazing for a family. Attached to the kitchen, you'll see behind you is a beautiful dining space. So this is a 9-person dining table right here, so we could even go a little bit larger. But this is great because this is where most of your meals are going to get eaten. We have space for stools here for if you got kids and they want to eat a quick breakfast before school, or if you want to do a little more formal dining. We have plenty of space here with at least a 9-seater dining table. Making our way through, we do have 1/2 bath on the main floor here, which is right down this hallway, set aside from the kitchen. One of the nice parts about this property is we do have your owner suite is on the main floor. I know that's very important for a lot of people. They don't want to climb stairs, so the suite is literally right next to the kitchen, so there's great midnight snacks. You only have to walk 2 or 3 feet to get to those. This is a king-size bed. You notice there's plenty of space in here. Again, nice tall ceilings, very private backyard, so lots of tree coverage back there. And ensuite is located here. As we make our way through the ensuite, you'll notice a beautiful, nice, neutral colored bathroom with granite countertops matching the kitchen. We have a nice stand-up shower, almost a steam shower here, with great tile work, nice tile on the floor. And this also opens up to your closet space, which is located right inside the bathroom, which is important too if somebody's sleeping in. Somebody else can be getting ready for work and changing without interrupting the one that's sleeping. As we make our way back out, you'll see we'll come back through the kitchen area. Again, I'm in love with this kitchen. It's absolutely amazing. I'm a little jealous, but so as we come through the kitchen, there is another entryway on this side of the kitchen, which actually leads into the utility room. And the utility room is directly adjacent to the garage. Another nice feature of having the garage right next to the kitchen is lugging in groceries. You're steps away from that. You don't have to carry them up or downstairs or across the hall. Powder room here with a sink, laundry room here with your sink. So you have a wash basin, and it's extremely convenient right here off of the garage and right next to the kitchen. All right, I would love to show you the upstairs. There's a cool little feature that I would love to kind of point out as we make our way up. We do have this little landing area here, which provides some natural light with this window above, which is great. It illuminates the upstairs area. As you come up, you'll see this great landing area right here at the top of the stairs. This would be awesome for a kid's hangout space or just a general gathering space. This property does have a desk, so this would also be a great homework space for your kids. But this area would be awesome for a gaming system, setting up as a place for your kids to kind of hang out and have their own dedicated space. As we're up here, this level does feature 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. The first bedroom, which I'd love to show you through here, this is a rather large bedroom for a secondary bedroom. As you'll notice here, this actually has 2 queen beds inside the bedroom, which is absolutely amazing. It shows you kind of a sense of scale. With this room, again, still the tall 9.5-foot ceilings, great view out the back with the private backyard. And this bedroom does feature its own ensuite. Full ensuite with a beautiful walk-in closet. We have a separate shower, tub and shower with the nice matching granite, nice tile floor, and this beautiful walk-in closet. It's amazing. Absolutely, I'm jealous of the closet as well. As we make our way out of this bedroom, there's 2 other bedrooms on this level. They have a joint bathroom that they share, but I'll take you to this first one. And again, this home was professionally decorated, so some of these decorations are available for purchase if you're so inclined. This is set up as a double bed here, 2 double beds with a nice big window, and also features a beautiful closet here, beautiful walk-in closet with a daylight window in it. Absolutely amazing. So this home has no shortage for storage space. And then as we turn around, I'd like to take you into the shared bathroom. So each bedroom has its own vanity, which is great. Somebody can be brushing their teeth while somebody else is showering. So they each have matching granite countertops, matching floors, beautiful cabinetry. And then you transition into the shower room here. You do a toilet and a nice big stand-up shower with beautiful daylight window there. And moving into the other vanity here. So again, you can see these doors are here to separate those out to provide some privacy. Again, same matching granite, same floors, just beautifully done, beautifully finished. And this third bedroom would be the smaller of the 3 that are on this 3rd level here. It does have a little bit smaller, but still a walk-in closet. Still has a walk-in closet, a little bit on the smaller side, but still great storage. And you could actually fit this out with a closet system to give you a little more, you could fit this out with a closet system to give you a little more storage space. So this is the 3rd floor. And again, just kind of walking back into this main hangout space. My kids would have loved something like this to just hang out with friends, have a chill space, throw the beanbag in the corner, watching movies, playing games. This is just absolutely amazing. I'd love to take you downstairs and show you the basement. There's a couple of cool features down here that I would love to point out to you. As you make your way down, you'll see this beautifully finished basement area here. This would be ideal for maybe a home theater or a gaming room for the kids. If you wanted this to be an in-law suite, you could certainly do that. This would make a great living space. But again, professionally decorated. Still have the 9.5-foot ceilings even for the basement, which is great. The nice crown molding. And then as we transition, kind of going back to that theme about storage space, plenty of storage space here. We got a great closet next to this entryway. But then one of the nice features down here is this bedroom. As we make our way in, I'll point out a few things. Again, we have these 9-foot ceilings, beautiful crown molding. Again, with our king-size bed, giving you a sense of scale. Beautifully well appointed, great living space. You have windows here that look out the backyard, so it's a great private area, but plenty of light coming in. And one of the amazing features in this bedroom is going to be this closet. This is probably one of the biggest closets I've seen, not even for an owner suite, but for a secondary bedroom. This could easily be converted into, say, an office. This is absolutely enormous. This could definitely be an office space, or you could outfit this for the world's biggest secondary closet. Another nice feature is there is a bathroom on the basement level. It is a full bath, and there are two ways to access that. One is through the closet here in the bedroom, and another one is access through the hallway. But this is a beautifully finished basement here, basement bathroom with tile shower, the nice laminate flooring, granite countertops, completely matching the rest of the property. So this could essentially be, an in-law suite for a parent or that guest that will never leave. So this would be an amazing space, for your kids. And then there's one other area I would love to show you guys here as we kind of transition back through the room. We do have additional storage here, a couple of doors with some storage, but there is still a little more basement space that you could use to kind of put your personal touch on. We do have an unfinished area here, and so this could easily be finished out to be a home theater. If you wanted a kitchen or a kitchenette, that could easily be put in down here. But I think it's important to kind of show you the insides of the house. You can see the detail with the insulation. You can see the construction. I think all this is very important to show on a property. Also access to your mechanicals. And two things that I want to point out, you may be able to see, this does feature a tankless hot water heater for the entire property, as well as a HEPA filter for the property. So you got that clean air in here, and just some peace of mind for your property and for the house. Would love to show you the backyard. So if you step out here with me, I want to point out a couple of things for you. Let me get this open. You got beautiful, huge sliding doors with built-in screens for the summertime, especially fighting those mosquitoes. In the fall and spring, these would be great to keep these closed and have that nice breeze blowing through. But as you make your way out, you'll see engineered flooring here on the deck with a beautiful set out here, as well as a nice little balcony on the side here. If you wanted to serve mojitos, you're welcome to do that here, depending on how your week goes. And then one of the things I do want to point out to you is the tranquility and the privacy back here in this backyard. You'll notice a little creek that runs behind the house, and in the rain, you'll hear that creek running. It's absolutely beautiful. You can hear nature right now. You can see there's plenty of privacy with the homes on the other side of the creek. And it's a very low maintenance property. Not a lot of grass to cut. Very simple, especially if you have an active family. You don't want to waste your weekends cutting grass, and in mowing, this is a perfect opportunity with this property. So making our way back to the other side of the porch here, a cool little feature that I think this property has is the staircase. And I know, goofy, right? What's so cool about a staircase? Well, it reminds me kind of a beach house, a little bit of a beach house theme. As you make your way down, it's a little bit of a winding staircase, and coming down to the patio area, this of course is level with the rest of the property. You do have some outdoor furniture that you could store this if you wanted to cover it. This would be an additional hangout space. You do have access to the basement on this level, so if you do have somebody staying with you or you have an in-law suite, this would be a great opportunity for them to have that space for a morning cup of coffee or hanging out at night with this nice peaceful backyard. As a couple of things that I'll also point out, this is a mostly brick home with hardy plank siding. We do have a architectural shingle roof. Why is that important? That's a longer life expectancy. This home was built in 2019, so everything in here from all of your mechanicals to all of your construction is only 3 to 4 years old. So there's plenty of peace of mind with this property. There's not going to be any major needs for a long time. I can't thank you enough for spending your valuable time with me today, letting me show you this beautiful property at 2080 Vicarage Lane in Snellville. As you know, this is the epitome of a move-in ready house, built in 2019. Great peace of mind purchase opportunity here. This house literally has no needs. It is ready to move in, just add furniture. If you would like a private showing or some additional information, please feel free to reach out. My phone number is 770-843-0594. You can also email me at brad.miller@careynorman.com. I would love to give you additional information or to show you in person. And again, I can't express enough how appreciative I am of you spending a little bit of time with me today. Thank you.